Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a free website that you can sign up for, make a profile, and if you're chosen, you get a goodie box. All that they ask is that you review the free samples that you got on their website. And I'll also link their social media. You have a good chance of winning a box if you follow them on there as well. Okay, so the first item in the box, hard candy. It's assorted flavor. We got blueberry, pineapple, green apple, mango. Haven't heard of those before, but I'm sure they're good. Non-GMO. I like those kind of candies. Then we have a peanut butter road tripper. It's a little protein bar, 16 grams of protein, 4 grams of sugar, and it's gluten-free. Next up, we have a few things from Capella. This one is a refining 2-in-1 coffee scrub and mud mask. That looks pretty cool. Then we have a lime and mint gel scrub and peel mask. Bet that smells good. And then we have an exfoliating pumpkin seed cream scrub. Very cool. It's got a variety of those from that company. What is this? Pizza Ranch? Ah, I have heard of this brand before. I feel like they make like a spicy mayonnaise or something that I bought. This says it has no sugar or dairy. Uncommonly tasty, and it's Pizza Ranch. Dressing and dip. I'm excited for that. I'm pretty sure this brand's pretty expensive too, if I'm remembering correctly. So that's awesome. Then we have Hydralyte Clinical Hydration Rapid Results. This is an orange flavor. Replaces fluid and electrolytes. Perfect. There's normally like a drink or some kind of liquid product in there. And then we have Diaper Therapy Cream. Sensitive Baby. Susan Brown's Baby. Awesome. My little one's still in diapers, so that'll come in use. We also have, I think this is the last product. There's perhaps a coupon in here. Yeah, there's a coupon code. Teaonic. My Gut Mojo is for digestion. Aloe leaf, cinnamon, cranberry, hibiscus, ginger, and lemon. Huh. Shake well. 25% juice. Very interesting. Tastes best cold, organic, vegan, gluten-free. Cool. Looks like they have all different flavors too, so I'll have to check that out. And then normally we do get some, oh, I lied, there's one more. Fresh Peppermint, green goo. Helps fight plaque and freshens breath. I love the toothpaste samples, they're perfect for like traveling. And then they normally have a little paper clip, some more information about the companies, and a lot of times coupons. So there's some more stuff that company has. $1 off. We have one for the natural baby and mom products. Stay hydrated this flu season. Coupon code for that. And then 25% site-wide for green goo. Very awesome. So if you guys want to see past boxes, I will leave my playlist, and make sure you check out the description box below for more information about this company and the products inside. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.